Hi, I'm Krista with WTI. If you're looking to add some instant charm and sparkle to your home space, this Kelly Miller gold mirror is the perfect focal point. I was immediately drawn to the unique style and antique gold finish of the mirror's frame. But now that I have it in front of me, I love the beveled glass of the mirror even more. It really gives it a vintage meets modern aesthetic. The size of the mirror, which is 30 by 20 inches, is a perfect fit for our sofa table, but it would also fit beautifully as either of our bathroom vanity mirrors as well. The size and design can be mounted vertically or horizontally, and they sent the hardware so that I could get the job done when needed. It even included this soft little chamois cloth that helps me to keep the glass crystal clear and streak free. So if you want that wow piece that is going to look luxe and beautiful without hurting your wallet, this Kelly Miller gold mirror is the perfect choice. And that's my point of view.